Hello and welcome to theprofitroom.com. You're watching a live video of us day trading options. When you look at this video, you'll see that it's MU, which is Micron, and we teach at the Profit Room how to trade a specific strategy based off of gaps, and it applies to almost every market. The beauty behind trading options is that you don't need a lot of capital to invest in the market. As you see, we're in this trade, we're only exposing less than $2,000 to get in this actual trade. Now, when you day trade, you really have to understand that it takes strategic action in order to capitalize off of these movements. And this is what we show our students at the Profit Room. Now, if you look at the chart itself, this is called technical analysis. So technical analysis is the process of showing internal value expressed on a chart. So as advanced traders, we can anticipate movements going in certain directions. So you see, we added more contracts to this trade. So the contracts we have now are 40. We paid about 83 cents for a contract. So that's about $80 a contract. Now we have about $4,000 of exposed capital. Now remember, this is just exposed capital in the market. It doesn't mean you're going to lose 4,000. It's just exposed. Currently, we're fluctuating with price. Now this comes with confidence in order to what we call level up with trading. Many people you'll see posting percentages. They may get in 1 or 2 contracts. That's cute in the beginning, but you want to be able to have confidence to be able to capitalize off of different movements in the market. It doesn't matter what market you trade, right? Stocks, futures, Forex, now options here. As you see, this trade starts to play out. We start letting go of our contracts. That means that we are scaling out. So even though we have 40 contracts, we want to make sure that we're capitalizing off of the movement as the price goes lower. And this is what we teach our students how to do. This was an amazing, amazing trade. At the Profit Room, we show people consistency. That means that if you have a plan, you have a goal of risk management of how much you want to make per day, then you stop, because you can do it over again the next day, and you can do it the next day and the next day. So this was an amazing, amazing trade. We actually gave this trade live in our room. So we trade live every day and we give alerts as well. This trade panned out. We made about $790 4 minutes. In 4 minutes, all with controlled trading. That's the key word, controlled trading. So as we get in the trade, we're not scared. Now anything can happen. When you're trading, anything can happen. But if you have the right risk management, if you have the right strategy, and also if you have the confidence, you'll be able to stay in the trade much longer and allow the trade to work based off of your analysis. So this is what we do at theprofitroom.com. Please search it for us. Look at our client's testimonial. Look at our superstar students, because we want to empower you with this knowledge in order how to capitalize off the market. You do not need a lot of income to start. Yes, this trade we used about $4,000 of exposed capital, but you could have taken the same trade with maybe $300 or $400. As always, get educated and trade safe, and we'll see you in the Profit Room.